One of the tools that a set designer can use is an interactive lighting simulation. The point here is not to focus on the lighting. We're trying to make decisions about the set design itself, the sizes, the proportions of the room, the door and window placements, the surface treatments, the colors. The furniture that's in here is just to show scale, and the lighting is extremely rough, just to show how the space might feel with some light in it. But we're really focusing on the surfaces. So one of the tricks here is that all of these different pieces of the lighting can be switched on and off separately. So we've got this LED strip up inside the ceiling. We've got these down spots here shining down on the walls. And you can see just a little change makes a big difference to the way the room feels. And along with turning these things on and off, we can also adjust the brightness of them. Turn these down spots up, turn the main lighting off, and it gives a completely different feel to the space. Let's go to just the LED strip without any of the other things. You can see that this type of lighting isn't really to illuminate the room. Maybe as a night light, but it doesn't really give enough light. It's just an interest to the background. And I also have a layer in here. I can switch on daylight, so that we can have any combination of these room lights, adjust them all, turn it down in the middle of the day. There we go. Yeah, and the purpose of a simulation like this is to be able to very quickly show the space and show the results of the decisions we've made to the rest of the design team, to the director, the production designer, the art directors, and other folks that are involved in making the design decisions. As a set designer, I would design the space and then show it to them, and then they give me notes and we iterate. So all of this is working from inside of AutoCAD, so that I'm not having to do a bunch of translation back and forth to fancy rendering software and things like that. This is very, very quick to iterate and quick to help the team make good decisions about the spaces that we're designing before we, allocate a budget for timber and construction. All right, thanks so much for watching this funny little video, and if you're interested, drop a comment and I can do a behind the scenes of how a simulation like this is set up. All right, have fun.